I am Stony Phantom 3. And we
Everybody got a gas can?
on
I do not
part
want to make this trip twice.
3
Yep.
of this
Back to the boat, people.
campaign. Let's see how it be going. You got the field, return to the boat. So we just going back to the boat. If I do this, I know it's done with it. Oh, it didn't do it. Wait, what? Oh, it doesn't blow? I thought it blows up.
Reloading.
Now I just feel like I fired bullets for no reason. Let's go. Oh, let's go re-get the bullets.
Storm coming. Stay close.
It's an AK?
I can't see a damn
Here
thing.
they come. See, smart traps do this.
Reloading.
Just a fire.
Hey, where's that thing going with it?
And
Reloading.
we're gonna grab the AK's not. Oh, there we go. We'll grab the AK. Let's go. What? I want to say, how do you survive that? Let's go. Pave the way. To victory.
Heads up!
Oh, there goes my health. But great thing is, oh, there's no extra ones. I thought there was. Whatever, I can just use this.
Ooh, that's good to go.
Like, if we make progress, I literally haven't moved anywhere. Alright, let's go. Get out of here. Why am I stuck? Nope. Come on.
Careful. Running wrong. Reload.
Go. Get me out of here.
Hey, we can take this elevator back up.
I like how we're just
Anybody
playing the
see
map
that
in
witch?
reverse now. But something's gotta go down. Surely. Y'all wanna get on or not? There we go. Oh, you got the diesel? We're trusting Rachel. Oh, we all got diesel. Let's say we're trusting Rachel with the diesel. Gas, Ducatel, diesel, trust. Oh my! Bro! Can't see some type of
Hey,
joke,
wait a
man.
second. I gotta heal.
We gotta go. Let's just go, man. We gotta let's just go.
Everybody, back down the stairs.
Can't drop down there. Wow, this is too much, man.
You can cross on that tank.
The strats. Get this way back.
This way.
Stay up top and they can't kill you or hurt you. The Sandys.
Down here. Weapons.
Oh my!
Hunter!
Bro, that hunter really jumped in the end, man. Yeah, this way. Like, I already forgot the path and back. I just literally played this. I'm not even like 5 minutes away. Oh, here we go. Well, I'm not really trying to fight you, so. Dude, this water really be slowing me down. The rain is too much. Oh my gosh, here we go.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Bro, one of these times I'm just gonna shoot a witch for absolutely no reason. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Can't see anything. Oh my. Here we go, we're back.
I'm a reload. Reloading.
Wait, what? Aren't we back?
Back the way we came.
I'm reloading.
Oh, now we're. That was quick. So, I like the raining aspect they had here in this game. It's completely new. Never had anything like that in the previous game, so it's nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm Stony Phantom 3. And I'm out.